Hello learners. Today we will learn ob phonogram. Ob words make the sound ob. Ob words make the sound ob. O b ob. O b ob. Let's practice words with ob phonogram. B ob, bob. B ob, bob. K ob, cob. K ob, cob. J ob, job. J ob, job. M ob, mob. M ob, mob. R ob, rob. R ob, rob. S ob, sob. S ob, sob. Bye bye. Thank you. Happy learning.